Cardano saw a small rise in price over the weekend, but could be seeing some volatility coming up soon. Let's take a look. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Today, I'm going to be diving into Cardano, giving you some technical analysis of where I think Cardano could be heading next. Before I do, though, I have to let you know that all the tools you're about to see me use, including the metrics and indicators, can be found at the links in the description. More on that later. Let's dive into the analysis. Right now, we're looking at Cardano on the tradeconfident.io website. First up, you are looking at the Cardano Emotional Index. Now, what you're seeing is the blue line climbing up into neutral territory. This is often what happens, and typically what you're going to see as the price rises is for the emotional index to rise as well. You know the old saying, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. So when you see the blue line climb into excited or greedy territory, you're going to be looking for moves back down. For now, we're in neutral, so it's more likely we're going to see sideways movement, or at least for the current trend to continue. Next up, you're seeing Cardano long versus short trades. And what you're seeing right now is as the price has risen, you're seeing a drop off in short trades. Now, as we see drop offs in short trades, it means less and less bearish pressure. When you see bearish pressure leave the market, you're going to see longs accumulate more and very likely a move up in the process. You've already seen a move up in price from Cardano based on the drop in short trades, and it's very possible this could continue. Next up here, and this is really interesting to me, this is Cardano Smart Money. What this tells us is whale money sentiment in the market, and most often they're going to try and buy low and sell high, so they're going to be accumulating quite a bit as the prices drop, and then more likely they're going to exit as prices rise to take profit. What you're seeing right now is a flip from long to short trade sentiment. I think within the next couple of days, this is when we're going to see whale trades shift from long trades to short trades, and this is because the price has risen in that time. After it spiked with long trade sentiment, we started seeing moves up, likely because whale money was moving into the market. As we see short sentiment grow, it's very possible that this is where we're going to see moves down like we did here and here. Next, you're seeing the Cardano Volatility Breakout Detector. Now, this metric has been modified slightly. It's actually measuring levels of volatility now rather than specifically breakouts. I honestly like this upgrade a lot. It's a huge improvement to the metric, and I think it's really going to help us clarify what we see in the market. Right now, what you're seeing is Cardano moving into low volatility, and we've seen that pretty much since right here, right about, like, I'd say a little bit late December, probably about a week ago. We saw it switch down to low volatility, and often what we see after a long period of low volatility is big moves. We can see there was low volatility here. We saw a very long time of very little movement. As soon as we clicked up above that low volatility, we got that drop down in the market, that impulse move, that breakout, which is what we were looking for. Again, right now you're seeing green bars in low volatility and the market is going sideways. Next up, what you're seeing is a drop below the 30-cent structure support. This is now a major structure resistance that we'll have to overcome in the bear market. And of course, I think Cardano will survive this bear market. It's just a matter of where it's going to go after. And right now we've broken below a huge psychological barrier of 30 cents. I think it's very likely we will see a new structure support line come soon, but for now, that is the major resistance we're looking at. Last but not least, we have the Cardano Daily Trade Scanner. Now, we talked about this a little bit last week. We got a buy signal as the price dipped into a green liquidity pool. These liquidity pools are where we're seeing large volumes of long trades in the market. And as you can see, as the price dropped below the green line here, we got some volatility and a slight move up. Pretty consecutive candles on the upward trend. These metrics gave a great view of the one-day time frame. It gives us a great outlook of the longer term period for Cardano. Now, I'm going to take you to the 4-hour time frame to get a closer look, but I have to let you know you can get access to all of these metrics for yourself. They are daily trade updates for all of these charts across 20 cryptocurrencies. On top of this, you're going to get access to our Inside Tips members only page. This is where you're going to get a massive accumulation of all the data on our Trade Confident website in one place for your convenience. We do all the work for you, and every weekday you're going to get access to our morning brew overview. We'll tell you what the highest and lowest performing coins are, crucial news for the day, and any trade signals you need to be aware of, like the breakout detector and daily buy, strong buy, sell, and strong sell signals that come out on the daily trade scanner. Again, this does all the work for you, and on top of that, if there's any good trade setups out, we will let you know. And even using the indicators. Even if you don't have access to the indicators, we'll show you great setups that pop up in the market using the price versus well money flow, the trend exhaustion, and TC top and bottom finder indicators. It's super easy to get access. All you have to do is click the link in the description below. It'll bring you to this page here. Check out all the benefits that you get. You get even more that I didn't even talk about. Click I want in, fill out all the information, and you are ready to go. Thanks for watching that little snippet, and we really look forward to trading with you. With that, let's check out the 4-hour time frame for Cardano. Here we are on the 4-hour time frame looking at Cardano using the TC top and bottom finder price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion indicators here. Right now at this red line here is the 29.53 cent resistance structure we saw in the metrics over here, right about here. And since then, of course, we've dropped quite a bit with the price bottoming out with a new bear market bottom at about 24.69 cents down here. At that time, we got a strong buy signal and have been moving up since. All of these strong buy signals have been great calls and I've actually seen moves up pretty quickly after them. So great job from the TC top and bottom finder here. With that, the price structure is also, again, in a lot of long trade liquidity pools. We also saw a buy signal as the price structure fell to structure support at 25.44, along with the price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion being low on their charts, and got a move up. However, where we're at now, we are at a brand new structure resistance. It goes all the way back to the original drop earlier this month. It brings us to structure resistance at 26.4 cents. So this is where we're testing right now. And the trend and the price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion are extremely high on their charts. In fact, this is the highest they've been in a very long time, with the trend exhaustion only being previously beat out way earlier in this month. Because of this, I think it's very likely we are going to see a move down to structure support. And the first one we're going to be testing is at 25.94 cents right here. However, I think it's more likely we could be actually testing 25.44 cents right here again. This is because the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow are super high on their charts and likely to see moves down, as we are rejected from 26.4 cent resistance right now. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to get access to these indicators or metrics, the links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis every single weekday. With that, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.